Let's take a look at the SoundPEATS T3 Pro earbuds. As you can see, there they are just there. Now, they're stem style earbuds too, and they're unboxed. So very similar style to normal SoundPEATS. Now, let's not wait any longer. Let's take a look. So we take them out of the box. Look at that nice little black thing there to take out. Put that to the side, and let's have a look. So here are the earbuds just here. Now, as you can see, I'm opening them up as we go live. So take that off. So take that off, and there are the earbuds just there. So as you can see, there's a SoundPEATS logo at the front. It was that way. You open them up, and there are the earbuds just there. Now, don't they look nice? Now, they're kind of the stem design earbuds. They look very sleek, actually. I love the style of them. See, they look quite nice, don't they? And take one out. There's the first one. It feels very light as well. So in-ear stem design. And I'll take the second one out. Let's have a quick look at the earbuds to start with. So these have 12mm drivers built into them, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So they reckon it gives a deep bass experience. Now, it also has advanced audio technology. So it has Bluetooth 5.4 in it. It's very easy to pair. And also 4 microphones with it, with A enhanced calls and E and C noise cancellation. So they're actually packed with a ton of features. And there they are there. And as I said, they're very, very light. I mean, that wouldn't be any more than a couple of grams just there. I'll go back and look in a minute. The case itself is very light as well. Quite compact. And you pop them in there. And there they are there. So it's USB-C charging, as you can see on the back, just there. It's the size of the case compared to my hand. So it's quite small. It's like the size of a biscuit, actually. So very good. Let's go and look just quick at the case, at the pack. I'll come back to that. So you've got an instruction guide on the back, and you've also got, here you've got your cables. So on here we've got, what have we got? You've got USB-C cables and stuff like that there, and your different ear tips you can use. Nice packaging though. I actually like the look of these. They've really done a lot of thinking in regards to it. Let's go back to the actual earbuds themselves. So they have IPX4 water rated, which is good. So it means you can get in rain or water as you're running around, and they're fine. The earbuds themselves have 7 hours of battery life, and you get 28 hours if you keep using it in the case, which I always do. Now, they've actually got low latency and smart controls. So on the earbud themselves, you can actually control it by pressing the button to change tracks, try different types of music as well. And I also like these because of how the earbuds are positioned. They're quite good when you're listening, when you've got them in your ears. So now these also have preset modes, so EQ settings, which you can use out of the earbuds, but you can also use the SoundPEATS audio app as well to change the EQ settings as well. So they've got different types, which can change depending on what you want to use. Great thing with these two, they also have transparency mode, so you can listen to them all day with your surroundings. So they really are packed with good features. And again, what I love is those 12mm drivers. For little headphones like this, to be packed with that kind of driver really is nice. So that's the SoundPEATS T3 Pro wireless earbuds.